Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Stakestone token. Now the Stakestone token just got a brand new central exchange listing just yesterday, October 30th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Stakestone token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Stakestone token has a webpage, stakestone.io. Over there you can find documents, launch their app, community section, developers, ecosystem. It says staking reimagined. So they have, it says here, optimized staking, offset opportunity cost, 50 plus StoneFi protocols where you can earn more, and pay effortlessly will be coming soon. So this token here was just listed yesterday, October 30th, and this is actually in the pre-market trading zone. So technically, this is not the actual token listing as of yet, but you can get what's called the pre-market tokens. So they're like, it's basically like points. So this token got listed yesterday. Their initial listing for Stakestone in the pre-market trading zone happened yesterday, October 30th, 8:30 UTC time. So it is available now for pre-market trading on XT or XT.com. So you could download the XT exchange from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or open an account on XT.com. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Stakestone, all one word, and then simply just buy the quote-unquote token, but it's the pre-market token, so don't get confused. It's not the actual token, but I mean, you can learn more about what is pre-market trading on their announcement page, which is going to be xtsupport.zendex.com, and you can learn all about pre-market trading. Now, another token just got listed on, or a bunch of them actually just got listed on XT. I've done videos on the Teehee token. I just did a video on that. That one got listed on a ton of exchanges like CoinEx Global as well. The Shibu Doge mascot token. And then today I'm going to be posting a video on SoundLinks, which is also being listed on XT as well. So I'm going to put Stakestone's Twitter in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at stake_stone. It says Stone and Stonebtc, Liquid ETH and Bitcoin powered by adaptive staking network supported by Binance Labs and OKX Ventures. Almost 200,000 Twitter followers, so very popular project here. So welcome to Stakestone. Stakestone is a cutting-edge omni-chain liquidity infrastructure that introduces Stone and SBTC liquid versions of ETH and BTC respectively, powered by a dynamic staking network. With its highly scalable architecture, Stakestone supports prominent staking pools and is poised for future restaking functionalities. Our robust infrastructure creates a multi-chain liquidity market centered around Stone assets, offering users diverse use cases and enhanced yield opportunities. So Stakestone offers 3 types of liquid assets. Stone ETH, yield-bearing liquid ETH. Stone ETH SBTC, liquid BTC, and yield-bearing BTC, and SBTC and Stonebtc. So Stakestone is currently working out launching various use case scenarios to further expand the usability of Stone assets. Now, the background here, it says they talk all about the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade. We don't need to go over all that. They talk about the problem for stakers and for L2s and other EVM compatible blockchains and for developers. But let's skip right to the solution, the yield-bearing liquid assets. So Stakestone presents a comprehensive solution by introducing a yield-bearing liquid asset, Stone. Stone is designed to address the core issues faced by users, protocols, chains, and developers, creating a more efficient and seamless experience across the board. So for stakers, the introduction of liquid assets by Stakestone eliminates the traditional opportunity cost associated with choosing between liquidity provision and staking. Users no longer have to compromise between earning staking rewards or participating in liquidity pools. With these yield-bearing liquid assets, users can simultaneously earn optimized returns on top of risk-free yield from staking. Now, this innovation not only maximizes potential earnings automatically for users, but also allows for full utilization of liquidity within the relevant ecosystems. So for L2s and other EVM-compatible blockchains, Stakestone simplifies the complex challenges of liquidity management and user acquisition that protocols and chains often face. By leveraging liquid assets, these ecosystems can more easily bootstrap liquidity and attract users, creating a more organic, robust, and sustainable environment for growth. So the streamlined process reduces the barriers for entry for new projects and helps established protocols maintain a steady flow of liquidity, ensuring the stability and efficiency of the ecosystem. And lastly, for developers, Stakestone's Stone token serves as a rebalancing token, offering a powerful tool for integrating liquidity and staking mechanisms within dApps. So the Stone token design facilitates omni-chain functionalities, not only reducing the complexity of integrating rebase tokens, but also provides a more sustainable infrastructure to be fully adaptable to the dynamic nature of the blockchain space. So in summary, Stakestone's yield-bearing liquid assets provide a holistic solution that addresses the key challenges faced by users, protocols, chains, and developers alike. With our liquid asset Stone, Stakestone is poised to play a pivotal role in the evolution of the blockchain ecosystem. So basically, in a nutshell, that's what this project's all about here. Now, if you want to get this token, like the full version of the token, like I said, right now it's only available in pre-market trading. But if you follow their Twitter, which is right here at stake_stone, they're going to announce more listing updates. I see Bybit Web3 follows them, so they could get a Bybit listing or Gate or KuCoin or any of these big listings are going to pop up with dates and stuff soon. But right now it's just pre-market trading. And yeah, you could listen to Twitter Spaces and things like that on here, them talk about the project. So all sorts of updates will be available on the socials, so check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.